Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make a red pepper sauce. It's very good for mix in salami, sausages, you can make some pasta or you can use just on the bread like that. It's absolutely delicious and easy to make. And I'm going to show you what we need. Of course, the main ingredient we need is red pepper. And there is so many ways to make this sauce. I'm gonna show you the basic one, because you can add any spices you like. But anyway, we need red pepper, they already washed, some garlic, salt and pepper. They later depend how much you're gonna make for you. You can save at least you can storage for 10-15 days. This sauce is absolutely delicious. Anyway, guys, cut your peppers. I cut it this way. We don't need the white thing from the pepper. Can be a little bit bitter, that's why. Done. Okay? And chop it a little bit more small is like that, you see? You're not gonna be precise, it's just rough like this. Okay? Okay guys, my red pepper they already cut. The pot is on gas, is already on, and now, very easy, the garlic is already ready. We put a nice amount of olive oil. Okay, now the oil is in the pot, and we start easy. Garlic. We leave 2 seconds, the garlic gonna start cook. The garlic still start cook, and now we're gonna add the pepper inside. Put everything inside. A nice mix. Okay. Guys, now basically the job is done. We put the flame medium low and the lid on. Very often we have to stir it because we don't want it gonna burn, and soon we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Okay, this is gonna start because this is gonna cook around 1 hour, the beginner. Okay, already the smell is super nice. They start cook slowly. It's nothing very difficult. Now I add some salt. You can add slowly if you need more later. Some salt and some pepper if you like, but I recommend you fine one. Quite a little bit, gonna be little bit peppery. Okay. Now mix everything again and leave to cook slowly around hour. Okay, and later we're gonna blend it and cook a little bit more. Okay, stirring all the time. Okay guys, it's 1 hour more or less that they cooking. Oh, it's already they reduced a lot. I'm sure it's hot, but you see, they reduce a lot. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it. Now we do it is blend it, everything, try to do a very nice this step. Yeah, you know, check again if everything is nice and bland. And now we're going again on the flame. We put very low now. Look like I did everything, but now guys, check again. It's very nice. Salt and pepper. I need more salt, definitely. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, or check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay? Some salt. How much you like? This is gonna be a little bit salty and peppery. Okay? Salt and pepper again. Mix. And leave. Again, lid on. The flame we put very low. Often we stir it because we don't wanna burn it, because it's very important we don't wanna burn it. And gonna cook around another hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. His job is done. Okay? See you when everything is cooked. Okay guys, 1 hour is done. It's over. Look, my sauce, look, it's nice and thick, like I want. Perfect. You know, it's very hot now. Now, the job is done, basically. I'm waiting for the sauce gonna cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna try. Okay? Look at that. It's fantastic. Easy job, but guys, I want to say this is absolutely amazing. That's why the simple stuff is always super stuff. You know? Anyway, see you 10-15 minutes. I waiting to cool down a little bit, and we're gonna try it, okay? Okay guys, ready to try. I cannot wait. Wow, the smell is absolutely wow. I like on toast bread to try. Wow, look at that. I know very well this sauce is absolutely. The flavor, wow, is super. I cannot make better. What I want to say, guys, my red pepper sauce is this, guys, absolutely stunning. Guys, try, and if you need any help, let me know. My red pepper sauce is this. Basically, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!